2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, CD player, MP3 capability, rear window defroster, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, rear window wiper. Come take a test drive today.